Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Fuller Brush 17042 Electrostatic Carpet and Floor Sweeper. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: Fuller brush quality bristles make it safe and efficient on tile, low pile carpet and all hard floors. An incredibly lightweight and useful sweeper. Ideal for all crummy cleanups. This sweeper is great for multiple floor surfaces. It is equipped with a bristle brush, which helps to lift debris and food crumbs off the floor. It is very lightweight, which makes it very easy to maneuver. The sweeper not only moves easily and picks up dust from short pile carpets, but it also works great on taller shags and deeper textured rugs. This sweeper doesn't make use of batteries, which makes it eco-friendly. It has two different cleaning tools to use according to your cleaning needs. It has a natural bristle brush that can be used for everyday cleaning of your carpet and a vinyl blade rotor, which is used to clean food and other debris from your hard floor. This sweeper uses an electrostatic charge to cling onto dust, debris, and pet hair, sweeping it into the dirt tank. This sweeper has a compact design which allows it to clean hard-to-reach areas and makes it easy to store. Pros: it has an ergonomic handle for maneuverability. Ideal for crummy and wet messes. Comes with two cleaning tools to use according to your cleaning needs. Cons: it cannot be used to clean large messes.